Ou Ameica, ou président Joe Biden, ou vice président Kamala Harris, ou Obama's running démocratie, Malcolm X.
What is back for real? Ameica, on a Benjamin Franklin. You already know what it is. Haiti blessing land. President Joe Biden, the best in the world. Let's slide democracy shine upon USA for life. Who will live with it? One for all for one. And all over America and other countries for the glory. C'est la famille. Democracy, my own request the people acclaiming. Keep on saying what you're doing. From CPS president, especially for my Haitian people. One world, one nation, one law. Listen to that say. We building more USA, must invest in personnel. Children with healthcare, education, women rights, protection, low tax full job, CPS put them by day. It's what the government's planning. Proudly for the nation, without discrimination, to live for the nation. Cause democracy is strong. Keep on fighting, yes, for opposition. Good job. There's no doubt in it. Yeah. Stopping violence because in every day cause guns violence in every day. I see that I saw violence all mother blacks every day. I'm feeling the salted blood falls on me. Yeah. The wicked black beats the blacks on me. That's some joy. Yeah. The white men fight murder blacks in streets. Yeah. I feel the mother sadness love to see. Bring love. Stop with the blood for me. Bring love. The mother black, the mother white, the mother deaf. So much for me. Yes, we had so much to live to stop violence. Bang, killing in the womb. So what you got it home for? To kill, make it trust death. And the last breath, living homeless, child and wife. Oh damn. Hold up, democracy. Still for your rights. So when you trap the world with prison every day, governments, friends and family with your action every day. Do it, I'm in up in jail, no jack and jail behind the bars, you'll pay. Yeah, will is by the gun, will die by the gun. Now forget the past to stand. As Martin Luther King, Gandhi, Malcolm X, Mandela, Washington, Black Cookies. When the Sabbath Sarafina, Shalom, to celebrate the proud black and white president Joe Biden. Democracy victory. To prove to the world the America is truly full power.
But good
and
next to us. Just because
on end to all US founders.
They happen to be. They matter not because they happen to be in the United States. They matter if they're in Haiti.
Kind of country you can imagine who are all trying to have a better life.
Yes.
You know, people came and we welcome them. No, you don't want to be overrun. But I'm sorry, there's all these people, they have no place to go back to.